In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively incorporate an online whiteboard into your Microsoft Teams meetings. This is a simple yet powerful way to enhance visual communication, making your teamwork more engaging and productive. So let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to Microsoft Teams. If you're already familiar with its interface, this should be a breeze. If you're new to it, no worries. Simply open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft Teams website, or directly use the Teams app if you have it installed. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now let's introduce a whiteboard into the mix. Why use a whiteboard, you ask? Well, a whiteboard is an excellent tool for brainstorming sessions, teaching, or any scenario where you need to illustrate concepts and ideas visually. To get started, you'll be using an online whiteboard tool. For this tutorial, we're using whiteboard.com, which is a user-friendly option for real-time collaboration. Open a new browser tab and type whiteboard.com in the address bar, then hit enter. You'll be directed to their homepage, and there you can easily create a new whiteboard session. Once your whiteboard is ready, go back to Microsoft Teams. Here's where you link the two. In your Teams meeting, find the Share button, usually located in the meeting controls. Click on it and you'll see a variety of options for sharing content. What you want to do is select Chrome tab. This option allows you to share specific tabs from your browser, keeping the focus solely on what you wish to present without distractions from other tabs or windows. Now, from the list of available tabs, choose the one with your newly opened whiteboard. Once selected, you can begin sharing your whiteboard with all meeting participants. They'll see everything you draw or write in real time, allowing for a seamless collaborative experience. This setup is incredibly effective for making your meetings interactive. Whether you're drawing diagrams, working through workflows, or just doodling for creative sessions, this little trick can make a significant difference. And just like that, you're all set. You now have your online whiteboard running smoothly within your Teams meeting. Incorporating this visual tool can not only clarify your points, but also stir more engaging discussions. In summary, using an online whiteboard in Microsoft Teams is as simple as opening whiteboard.com and sharing your browser tab. It's a straightforward yet impactful way to elevate your presentations. So the next time you're planning a collaborative session or need a feature-rich brainstorming platform, remember this technique. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. Happy collaborating.